Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I am about to reveal a code to you that you should use on your Android TV, and it will bring you to a page that has updated popular live sport applications. So if you are interested in sport, if you're a sport fan, then you are going to find this code helpful. As a matter of fact, this video is a part 2 of a video I created before that unlocks live sports application. So if you found that video helpful, if you found this also helpful, because in this particular video I will only focus on a page with updated popular live sports applications. So in that case, make sure to watch the video right up to the end if you are a sports fan, and if you find this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So as usual, this is my Android TV, and I'm going to do everything on the screen here, and please follow attentively as I try my best to show everything one step at a time. So do not skip any part, especially if this is your first time looking for sport apps on your Android TV. So that's it, let's get started. Since we're dealing with a code, the first thing we need to do is installing the downloader application to our Android TV. And installing the downloader application to our Android TV, there are two options. The first option is using the Google Play Store if you have it, and the second option is without the Google Play Store for those of us who don't have it. Now, if you happen to have the Google Play Store on your Android TV, then that is the plus for you. Just head over to your Google Play Store and search for the application. But if you don't have Google Play Store, this is what you should do. On your Android TV, go over to your browser. Any browser is going to work in this case as long as your TV is an Android TV. So what you do once you're here is just come here and type the application downloader. Like I type in downloader, we can just type in D and you get suggestion like me. But if you don't have a suggestion like me, please type in the full name of the application, which is downloader. So as you type in downloader, you're going to get results like this on your page. So just browse down. You're going to see the application here. Here is it called Downloader by AFT News. It is on the Google Play Store, and I'm using my web version of Google Play Store to install the same application. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this once, and this brings me here to where I can install the application. So what I'll do here is just click install, and since my TV is an Android TV, this application is customizable, or it is able to open on my Android TV. So I will just uninstall and wait for it. Once it's done installing, it's just going to give me the option to open, and this brings me here, and this is the download application. This is how downloader looks like once you open it for your very first time. Now I just want to say, if you don't know how to use downloader, for those of you who don't know how to use downloader, downloader works by you typing in a short code or a short keyword in the box here and just going ahead and searching. So if you're searching for an application or going to a website, you can just type in a short code here that will take you straight away to that website or to that application. So in this case of we looking for popular live sport app, we just have to type in a short code here, which is a 7-digit code, and it will take us straight away to this site that has the applications that I'm going to be showing you. So that's it, let's type in the code. The code in this case is 7-digit code, which is, please follow attentively. You can screenshot this or you can write this on a piece of paper. Whatever option you use, please just make sure to type in the same code. The code is 5957991. This is the code, please. 5957991. So as you type in the code, you just go ahead and launch it. Now, as I said, this code is going to bring you to a page that has not only popular live sport applications, but also updated to 2025. So I'm creating this video in October 2025, and these apps here are going to be updated for 2025. Now, as a YouTube creator, there is not so much I can show you on my videos on YouTube, so I am going to be blurring this. So that's why I'm blurring this. But this is the name of the page. It's called Live Sport App, a collection of the best live sports apps. So these are the best. There are about 20 of them, and they are all updated. So as you go over here, you can take out your time and browse through and search through. So I am blurring this for the sake of my videos to stay on YouTube. If we go over here and browse through, all of these are different live sports applications. As I said, they are not as many as in the first video I created, but these ones are updated, and these are the popular applications that many sport fans are interested in. So that lots of them That some that are just applicable or are only going to work on mobiles and tablets only. So there's some of them that are just going to work on a mobile device like a phone, and then there are some that are going to work on a TV or TV device like an Android TV, like the one I'm using currently, or a Fire Stick device. So either you have an Android TV device or a Fire Stick device, some of these applications are going to install. Now you might be asking, how do you install an application here? It's simple. Just go to the application you want to install, click on it once, and there's a download page or a download button that's going to pop up, and you're just going to go ahead and install or download. Once it's done downloading, you click on the install button, and the application should install to your Android TV. So as I said, there are two options. The applications are going to work on Android TV, and there are some that are going to work on just mobile device. Like this one, I just installed it to my Android TV. So this is the site, and if you come over here, I promise you, you are going to get what you're looking for or what you're interested in. And if you come over here, if this works for you, please drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know if this works for you. If you encounter an issue or a problem, also drop in the comment section of this video. I'm going to figure out what the problem is. Now, there is something I just want to add before I end the video. If you come back to the website for the first time, and or if you're watching this video like 2 months from now, or a month from now, or 3 months from now, and the first code doesn't work, I'm going to show you how to get to that code using another code. So if the first code doesn't work, the second should work. So if the first doesn't work, this is only if you're watching this video like 3 months from now and the code is no longer working. Go over here, type in this other code 72609, type in this other short code 72609, launch it. I'm going to show you what you should do to get back to where we are or where we were. As you launch the first code, it's going to bring you to this all stores over here. It's going to bring you to this all stores over here. Then you go over here and go over to the option that says chance or CEN apostrophe S Shan. I don't know how it's pronounced in other accent. So it's going to bring you here, and you're going to see different categories. Then you go to the category that says live sport. So you go to the category that says live sport, it's going to take you straight away to where we were at the beginning of the video. Sorry, I'm blurring this, but this is exactly where we were. Now, if you go over to this site and you love it or you find it interesting for you, I might want to visit it next time, just go to this three dots at the top right corner and add this current page to favorite, so that you can go over to the site next time without having to type in a code. So this is just a trick that I use to keep these sites on my Android TV so I can access them anytime without having to type in a code. Sorry again, I'm having to blur this. It's for the good of my video. So that's it about this video, and if you follow attentively just what I said, this should bring you here, and trust me, you're going to be satisfied. Let me know in the comment section if this works for you.